So this is a driver self-service, basically sitting on the weighbridge that enables drivers to weigh in and weigh out without having to come near the office or see anybody or speak to anybody. Very handy at the moment, because not only does it reduce administration and paperwork, it also is our most effective module for contactless. It's fully integrated with the main system, so as soon as a driver weighs in or weighs out, you see that reflected at either the supplier or the customer within the system, and fully updates your account. So what happens is, when the driver will either have a card to swipe, or they can put in a code. And you'll see this in action. I'm going to show a video of this working in a live site after this, okay? So I put in my code, pick my goods out to customer. So this is going to be usually touch screen, okay? The driver can have themselves. Goods out to customer, okay? Any loads assigned to the driver, they'll see here. So usually this will be done one at a time, as opposed to a huge amount, okay? So you can see here, this is going to Kildare County Council, and it's going to site A, and it's 0.5 mil stone, okay? And you can see here my details come up down the bottom. So I'm Orson Herbst, my vehicle is that, and my registered tear is there. So we store all of that information within our system as well, around haulage and hauliers, okay? Confirming my order. See here, it's weighing the tear in. Our weighbridge, if your weighbridge is fully linked to our system, the tear will automatically be pulled in, okay, if it's different to the registered tear. So I won't have to go through this at all, okay? So this is me now weighing in. I go in as a driver, I pick up my load. I don't even have to get off the truck or get out of my cab. And then when I've loaded up and I'm coming back out, I just swipe my card again, pick the load, confirm that this is where I'm going to. Again, this gross weight will automatically be pulled in. Tells me exactly where I'm going to. If I want to add in any comments, and the driver signs, okay? And what happens is then, and you'll see this in the video, the docket will print out, and then the driver can take that docket to site. Also, we have our trucker, which Sean mentioned. So if it's a thing that you are going completely paperless, this will then just be pushed to the trucker app, and it can be signed electronically on site without any paperwork appearing anywhere, okay? So what happens here is I'm going to run through our trucker app. This is not just an ePOD app, it also facilitates the driver checklist and the daily walk around, okay? So this is assigned on a driver by driver basis. You can see there, Orson, driver number 100. He can go in here, he can do his checklist. The checklist is stored on the device automatically. So if it's a case that he gets stopped by the guards or the police, or he needs to show something to a customer, he can do that, okay? And it's also stored in the system, in the back end, to keep track of repairs and maintenance on the vehicle, okay? When he clicks onto his load, he'll see here exactly where he's going to, where the driver is going to, the contact details of the customer, and the product he's delivering, and the quantity, okay? So this fully links with Google Maps. So as soon as the driver clicks on if he's not familiar with where he's going, as soon as he clicks on the address, he can go in here and see exactly where he's going to, okay? And then he can send them an SMS directly from the app to let them know he's going to be X amount of minutes, so 30 minutes there to arrival, okay? When the driver gets to site, then what they do is he presses start then, so you can see my list of loads there. So he presses start, and the reason he presses start is in the background, there's a stopwatch ticking, and what that's doing is it's calculating standing time and any cost that may be associated with that, okay? So we can add in any comments. So if it's ready mix that you're dealing with, you can added X amount of water, or if it's aggregate, you may not need to add any comments at all, or you may need to put in a reason for why you were waiting so long. You can also add pictures if you need to, as you can see there, for whatever reason. And this creates a delivery docket. So the picture, any picture taken, any signature or any notes added will be automatically attached to the delivery docket. Hands it to the customer. Customer signs it, and they can see what they're signing for. So they can see the comments and the quantity and the product that they're ordering, okay? And so this has all been developed in conjunction with the quarry concrete industry. So anything that is in here has been put in at the request of our customers. He presses save, and then he clicks finish as soon as he leaves site. This also works offline, so it can be saved offline, and then that appears back in your office, in your accounts as a live signed delivery docket straight away.